Hello beautiful people, you are welcome back again to this amazing channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to recover an old permanently deleted YouTube channel. If this is what you want to see and this is what you want to know, please stay tuned to the end of this video. Don't click out, and subscribe, share and like this video. Hit the notification button so that when I post a video you will be notified. This video is going to be a short video, so let's dive into it right now. First, I'm going to go to my new tab, click on new tab, go to youtube.com/support, sit here, click on it. Then it's going to bring you to this interface. Here is the help center where you can tender all your information, or where you can type all your issues and it's going to be recovered. Then here is community. Here, when you sign into this place, you're going to get new updates and announcement from YouTube. And here is creators tip, how you can improve yourself, how you can improve your channel, how you can make your channel and your videos come out perfect. But in today's video we're going to be focusing on how to recover your permanently deleted channel. So what you're going to do is you're going to come down to from the downside of the down bottom of the page and click on contact us. Then this is contact us. Then here you type what you want them to do for you. Here I'm going to type deleted YouTube account recovery. So I'm done. I'm going to click on next. The next thing here is to come down here, say choose the best description of this issue. As you can see, is nothing is here. What I want them to do for me is not here. It's not like this or this, but I'm going to click on order and this place is highlighted. Now I'm going to click on next step. Then here they say delete or hide your YouTube channel. Then these are the information they are giving if you want to delete your channel, but that's not what we want to do today. So we want to recover our channel. Then go to next. Here click on next step. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to click on send feedback. Then click on this help content and information. Then wait for it to open, and this is it. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to provide all the whole information why my YouTube is being deleted mistakenly, or why my channel is being deleted, and why I want to recover my channel. Now once I am done, I'm going to click on send. If I type something here, recover, then as you can see this place is being highlighted. You will now click on send and your deleted channel will be recovered. If you get value in this video, please subscribe, share and like this video. Thank you for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.